Yeah, this is what happens when you try to take Joshua's Christmas away. Yeah, that Grinch has really been through a lot. Good job, Joshua. He's purring the entire time. Wow, Joshua, you sound like you're really happy doing this. Wow. He really. Yeah, that Grinch has really been through a lot. He's. Oh, one right there, too.
I'm pretty sure legs aren't supposed to bend like that.
Yeah, this used to be my little brother's toy, but yeah, not anymore. Not anymore.
It was my
Are you done,
Christmas
Joshua?
present.
Nice job. Good job. And